Guys, on the sea road, this road is going to last more than 50 years. Oh. This is a very solid road that I came across on my trip to Arochukwu. In fact, it's one of the longest roads I've ever seen in Abia State. One of the longest road that has been constructed, and construction is still ongoing because the road is too long. This Arochukwu local government area in Abia State. Now, in this community in Indi-Okereke, I saw a lot of rice farm here, and I saw plantain plantation, like big plantain plantations. Maybe most of the plantain we eat in Umuahia do come from Arochukwu and some other places in Abia State where they are known to do large-scale farming. A lot of people complained that I was just doing Umuahia videos and Aba videos. I needed to show them other places in Abia State. So that is the reason why I embarked on this journey with some other content creators from Umuahia to show you guys the good work that His Excellency Dr. Alex Otti is doing. He's not just working in Umuahia and Aba. You can see how Arochukwu, the road in Arochukwu, is very good. Now, people that are coming back for Christmas, when I could just drive jejely, but as soon as they drive show, I don't say life now once, so just drive jeje. So guys, watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you still waiting for? You're not going to be charged for subscribing. Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video. Some people might be asking, is it really safe to travel through this road due to the fact that there are bushes on the left-hand side and not the right-hand side? Yes, but for these bushes you are seeing, there are still houses around there, and we asked and they said it's relatively peaceful, relatively safe to travel along this path. There is a saying, enwe ụzọ eshigaro dị easy, or enwe ụzọ eshigaro dị mfe. But bro, with the construction of this road everywhere, you know, in Arochukwu and East environs, ụzọ niile si wee na-agaro, this mfe. So ahead of us is a bridge. It looks like it was newly constructed, but I don't know. Not just Omenoko Bridge. If you go Arochukwu, carry on for mine, say no be only Omenoko Bridge you go pass. If you go inside Arochukwu, you will see they pass another bridge where they go. So you can see the bridge. Like I said, it looks like it was newly constructed. I don't know. If you know, you can tell us in the comment section. The green fields we are passing, those green fields are rice farms. They are not just bushes, so they are rice farms. Now, this section of the road, you know, if you look at it, it looks like they have already done the stone-based stuff, but then maybe it's just remaining the asphalting of this area. You can see that serious work is going on here. Serious work. Like, kudos to the people of Arochukwu, the people of Abia State. See the development that the government, the state government has brought to the people of Arochukwu and Abia State at large.